Every fixture or appliance has a water shutoff valve underneath it. Like for instance, your kitchen sink, if you open the counters, you'll see two valves with like supply lines going up to that faucet. Those valves just need to be turned clockwise to be turned off. You just have to be very careful when you do that. You know, if they're like stick a little bit, you don't want to force them. If they seem hard to turn off, I definitely wouldn't do it. I would call a plumber at that point. But every appliance will have a shutoff valve except for a shower valve or a bathtub. So let's say you have a leak somewhere, you don't know what fixture it's coming from. It's just water spraying up everywhere. Then you want to go outside and shut your main off to the entire house. Or let's say the shutoff valve that you are attempting to shut off doesn't shut off that appliance. Then you would have to go to the main outside and you would have to shut that off to shut the entire house down. The other one would be a shower or a bathtub. If those are spraying water and you can't get the handles to turn it off, then again, there's not an actual shut off for those independent showers or bathtubs, so you'd have to go to the main to shut that off.